The Oddire Mini Drone model OD-101 combines the excitement of flying with the thrill of driving, offering a unique two-in-one design that switches between drone and car modes with a simple button press. This innovative toy is equipped with a base that allows it to smoothly navigate across most household carpets, making it perfect for indoor fun. With features like one-click takeoff and landing, stable altitude hold, and a flexible headless mode, this drone is both multifunctional and user-friendly, catering to both beginners and experienced users. Constructed from high-quality materials, the Oddire Mini Drone is built to withstand bumps and drops, while the protective fan blade design ensures safety during play. The drone provides an impressive battery life of up to 20 to 30 minutes across its two modes, outlasting many competitors in its category. As a versatile and engaging toy, this drone makes a perfect gift for any occasion, backed by a comprehensive after-sales service for peace of mind.